everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY kinetic sand popsicles. Isn't that cool? These are so much fun to play with. Let's start off by making some red kinetic sand. I'm adding some plain red sand to a bowl. I'm adding approximately a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of water. Give it a good stir. Mix it all together. This is how you make kinetic sand. Now we're going to add 50 ml of clear Elmer's glue. This sand is so much fun to play with. I'm adding a little bit more sand, just so it's the perfect consistency. Perfect. Now I have 200 ml of lukewarm water in a jug. To this, I'm adding half a teaspoon of borax and giving it a good mix. To this, I'm adding the sand. This is a similar method to making slime, which I'm sure loads of you will recognize. This is going to set our kinetic sand. Cool, huh? This is so much fun to play with. It's kind of like sand, but also a little bit like slime. Look how stretchy it is. So much fun! Perfect. Great fun. Amazing. Looking good. Keep playing. Wow! Look how stretchy it is. So now let's make some popsicles. I have a silicone popsicle mold and I'm adding some popsicle sticks. Next up, I'm going to add some kinetic sand. I'm starting off with the red sand, but I've also made some other colors, so let's add them as well. Can you believe that this is sand? Super cool! You can make any different patterns you want with your popsicles. Get creative! Great! So that's one done. Let's do the next one. I'm doing this one like a rainbow. Doesn't it look cool? Great! 2 done. Let's have a look at the third. This one's a stripy pattern. Super fun! Now we've got the last one. Perfect. Now that's done, let's give the popsicles a moment to set. Now it's time to pop them out. Great! Keep going. These are going to be so much fun to squish and play with. Last one. Looking good. Let's see them all next to each other. Now let's squish them. They're so much fun to play with. Super cool. Stretchy. And remember, you can make any different pattern you like. These look fab. Look at the colors. Whoa! Great, and there you have it, DIY kinetic sand popsicles. Today I'm going to show you how to make aqua magic sand. Doesn't this look awesome? That is sand and it's underwater. So let's get started. First up, I have some kinetic sand. I'm putting it onto a tray and I'm spreading it thin. I'm starting with orange sand. Next, I'm going to take some water-resistant spray or Scotch Guard. I'm going to cover the sand in this spray. You want to make sure as much is covered as possible. Give it a good shake. Mix up the sand and spray again. We need every single surface of the sand to be covered in the spray. Mix it up and give it a good stir. This is what makes it waterproof. Repeat that process one more time. You can't be too safe. Now I'm going to press the sand into the bottom of a mold. I've made some other colours as well, so I'm going to make a rainbow. Starting with the orange, I've now got yellow and some green. Press it down as hard as you can. We don't want any air bubbles. Keep pressing. This is going to be amazing. It's going to sit underneath the water because it's aqua magic and it's waterproof. I've also done blue and purple. This is going to be an amazing rainbow castle underwater. Next, I've got some pink. Finally, some more red. Perfect. Let's look at the sand in action. You can see how waterproof it is. This is not how normal sand reacts in water. It's so fun to play with. That's all because of the spray that we added. Now let's put our castle. Give it a tap on top. And voila! Isn't that amazing? That is so cool. It's an underwater sand castle. Who knew that you could do that? This is so much fun to do. You can create any different shape you want and it's underwater. Amazing. Who would have thought? And there you have it, aqua magic sand. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We'll see you again next time. Bye!